The cleanest homes are the quietest ones. Meet the Kent RoboKlean R1, your intelligent vacuum and mop partner, all in one sleek robot. With advanced LDS navigation and real-time 3D mapping, it scans your space and plans precise cleaning paths. So quiet, even sleep stays uninterrupted. Designed for silent operation and efficient cleaning. Ultra strong suction up to 8500 PA lifts dust, crumbs, and pet hair across hardwood carpets, tiles, and marbles with smooth flow transitions. Smart sensors help it avoid obstacles, edges, and falls, while S mode and Y mode cleaning adapt to your home. Schedule custom zone cleaning, set no-go zones, and enjoy uninterrupted cleaning with long-lasting 3-hour battery. Control it all from the Kent Smart Home app or simply say, Alexa, start cleaning. Kent RoboKlean R1. Smart AI, quiet brilliance, fully hands-free cleaning.